Why New Year resolutions fail and how to make them stick. Introduction. Welcome to a journey of transformation. Every year, millions of us set ambitious New Year resolutions, hoping to change our lives. But why do so many resolutions fail? Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind failed resolutions and share practical tips to ensure your goals stick once and for all. Why resolutions fail? Lack of clarity. Most resolutions fail because they are vague. I want to be healthier, or I want to save money isn't enough. You need specific goals like walk 30 minutes daily or save 5,000 rupees monthly. Unrealistic expectations. Setting unattainable goals leads to frustration. Instead, aim for small incremental improvements that are realistic and sustainable. Too many goals at once. Trying to change everything at the same time divides your focus and energy. Prioritize one or two key resolutions for better success. No plan for obstacles. Life happens and unexpected challenges can derail you. Resolutions fail when there's no plan for setbacks. So anticipate obstacles and prepare solutions. Over-reliance on willpower. Willpower fades with time. Build an environment that supports your goals by removing temptations and creating reminders. Practical tips to succeed. Now start with specific goals. A clear, measurable goal gives you a target to aim for. Instead of exercise more, say I'll do yoga for 15 minutes every morning. 2. Break goals into small steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Divide them into smaller, actionable steps that are easier to tackle. 3. Build accountability. Tell friends or family about your resolutions or join a support group. Accountability ensures you stay committed and motivated. 4. Track your progress. Use apps, journals, or charts to monitor your journey. Seeing progress keeps you motivated and helps you adjust if needed. 5. Celebrate milestones. Every small win deserves recognition. Reward yourself to reinforce positive behavior and keep the momentum going. Overcoming common challenges and anticipate setbacks. Prepare for challenges in advance. For example, if bad weather keeps you from running, have an indoor workout plan ready. 2. Replace negative self-talk. Don't be too hard on yourself after setbacks. Practice self-compassion and restart with confidence. 3. Tie habits to existing routines. Stack new habits onto things you already do. For instance, meditate right after brushing your teeth or review goals with your morning coffee. 4. Focus on one resolution. Trying to do everything at once leads to burnout. Master one goal first, then move to the next. 5. Make your goals visible. Post reminders, quotes, or visuals where you can see them daily. A vision board can keep your resolutions front and center. Staying motivated. 1. Visualize success. Picture yourself achieving your goal, how it feels, looks, and changes your life. This mental exercise boosts motivation and commitment. 2. Start small, grow big. Begin with small steps that feel achievable. As confidence builds, expand your efforts. 3. Celebrate progress, not perfection. It's about improvement, not being perfect. Even small progress is a step forward. 4. Use technology to help. Leverage apps like Habitica or Strides to remind you and track your habits. 5. Build a positive environment. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and create spaces that encourage success. Tips from experts. 1. Motivation fades. Routines last. Build habits that require minimal decision making. 2. Know your why. Connect your resolution to a deeper purpose that truly matters to you. 3. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect time. There's no better time than today to begin. 4. Gratitude fuels persistence. Appreciate your progress to stay optimistic. 5. Regularly reassess your goals. Adjust as needed to stay aligned with your priorities. Closing. Resolutions fail not because we lack ambition, but because we lack the right strategies. Now you have the tools to succeed. Set clear goals, take small steps, and celebrate every win. This year, let's make resolutions that last, because you deserve a life of growth and success. Your journey starts today. Are you ready?